Hey, we are on day 5 of the DreamLife Gratitude Challenge, which is a challenge where every day I will bring to you a new topic of something that I am grateful for. And if you would like to join me in this, just hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Challenge. And on the 7th day, which is also Thanksgiving, I will choose a participant and offer a free ticket to my vision board workshop happening in Houston, Texas on December 5th at Hotel Indigo from noon until 4. So today's topic of what I am so grateful for is accountability. I somewhat consider myself a private person, especially when it comes to my goals or something that I'm working on and something that I just want to get right and figure out, kind of protect it before I share it with others. And also because if it doesn't turn out the way I wanted it to turn out, nobody knows about it. So there are many ways that I recognize within myself how I avoid accountability. But today I had a coaching accountability call with my coach and with my coaching group. And on this call, I knew that I would be asked to share where I was in my progress toward one of my goals, and I was not there. I did not make my goal, and I did not want to share it. Honestly, I didn't even want to call in because so many thoughts that can go on in your mind and in my mind when I'm not somewhere where I said I'll be. It's an issue of integrity. I want to say it's a deception that the mind can play tricks on yourself when you make goals, or when you set goals, or when you set promises for yourself and when you don't meet them. So it's easy sometimes to beat ourselves up over something and keep it to ourselves. But I call that deception because what happened in tonight's call, and again, why my topic today is accountability, of which I'm so grateful for, is when I shared that I wasn't where I said that I would be, and I made myself vulnerable, I received support unexpectedly, and I experienced connection to where other people shared what they were going through, and it reminded me that accountability is tracking my journey. It's not end all be all. It is simply acknowledging honestly where I am, where you are, and choosing to be vulnerable and share your journey with other people. And for me, especially tonight on my call, I felt very supported. I was reminded why it's so important to have a group or a partner or a friend or some safe space where you can be open with your goals and you can be open with sharing your dreams, even if they sound silly or even if they're half-baked. Some place where you can just be open to create in a non-judgment zone, in a non-critical zone, but in a zone where other people are chasing their goals too. And it creates this healthy, ambitious mixture where everybody's just infused with excitement and drive. And that is what happened to me tonight with my accountability call. Just being reminded that I'm in this just like you are. We're all in this thing together. I don't believe anybody has it figured out. I know I definitely don't have it figured out, and accountability helps remind me that it's okay to not have everything figured out. So I am so grateful for accountability, and I'm grateful for you listening tonight, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.